Hi, I'm Malwarez79. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I welcome you to my channel and I recommend you subscribe so you don't miss any. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the ISO of Windows 10 IoT LTSC 21H2 in English, both 32 and 64-bit, and then how to change the language to the one you prefer. First, let's download the ISO via the link in the description. Then we will need a USB key of at least 16 GB to create the installation media and the Ventoy software. Let's download it from the official website, being careful not to enter other sites that could contain malicious files. While we wait for the download, I will explain what is special about this version of Windows. Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC long-term servicing channel releases are designed to provide longer update support, 10 years, and it lacks most of the store UWP apps. Windows 10 GAC General Availability Channel, i.e. Home Pro, will reach end of support on October 14th, 2025. So, if your hardware doesn't support Windows 11, then you might want to use Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021 since it's supported until Jan 13, 2032 because they don't require TPM, Secure Boot, UEFI, 4GB RAM. Let's extract the zip file just downloaded, insert the USB stick of at least 16 GB to format. Mine already is. And in the open folder, we run Ventoy to disk. Select the USB device you want to format to create the installation media, verify that Secure Boot and MBR partitioning support are enabled, and finally click on Install, accepting twice that the data on the chosen USB will be permanently deleted. Once the operation is complete, close the Ventoy window and wait for the Windows 10 ISO to be downloaded. Since the archive is password protected, you need to use software that can extract it by entering the password. I use the free 7-zip program and download it directly from the official website by searching for it on Google. Once the program has been downloaded, install it. Good! Now we are ready to extract the zipped ISO. Open it with 7-zip and enter the password, Malwarez79. Once the extraction process is complete, we are ready to copy the ISO to the USB stick. Close all windows and restart the computer. When it restarts, press the button to choose which device to use to start the computer and select the USB created previously. If you install the 32-bit version of Windows 10, you need to select the device in Legacy mode, otherwise you can boot it in UEFI mode for faster boot speed. Here, we can choose the version of Windows to install, either 32 or 64-bit. We proceed with the preliminary installation phase, the language which in this case is only in English. Then we can change the area of the world and the default settings based on the keyboard we use for the language that we will subsequently install. Continue by accepting the Microsoft license terms. Click on the custom installation and delete all the partitions on the disk. Attention! In this way, all the data present will be deleted. Click on New and then on Apply, and this way, the partitions for the installation of the operating system will be created. By clicking on Next, the Windows installation will begin and wait for it to complete. In the initial Windows wizard, we choose the region configuration, keyboard, and username choice as you prefer. Do the same for your privacy settings. The original Microsoft version does not include the store, but I added it with the basic features so as not to be invasive, but to give the possibility to download only the desired apps. This version of Windows is really very light. At the end of the installation, it takes up about 20 GB. As you can see, this Windows ISO that I created already contains the KB50344441 update, which caused big problems for the failed installation. Now let's complete the installation of the drivers using the Snappy Driver Installer tool. Now restart the computer to apply the changes of the Windows updates and drivers. Now that the system is ready to be used, we can install the language pack that we prefer if we want to change it. To do this is very simple. Just write language and then click on Add a language to the device. Then click on Add and write the language you want to install. For example, I want to add the Spanish language and then replace it. Follow the steps in the video to change the system language. If you liked the video, give it a like, and if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel, Malwarez79. See you in the next video. Bye!